Finding the perfect gel nail polish can be a game changer for achieving salon-quality nails at home. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to know which brands and sets will give you the best results. In today's video, we're going to review 7 of the best gel nail polishes on the market. Let's dive into the reviews to find the perfect polish for you. Number 1. Beetles 85 Ps Gel Nail Polish Kit. The Beetles 85 PCs Gel Nail Polish Kit is a comprehensive collection that offers an array of stunning colors for every occasion. With 85 vibrant shades, this kit provides everything you need to create a full set of nails that are perfect for any season or style. The colors range from soft pastels to deep, rich tones, ensuring that you'll have a shade for every mood or event. One of the standout features of this set is the high-quality formula. The gel polish is highly pigmented, which means you can achieve a full, opaque color in just 2 coats. It's designed to be chip-resistant and long-lasting, ensuring that your nails stay looking fabulous for up to 2 weeks without any peeling or fading. The Beetles gel polish is made with a non-toxic formula, which makes it a safer choice for those who are sensitive to strong chemicals. This kit is a fantastic option for anyone who loves experimenting with new shades and wants a professional quality manicure at home.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Modelones Ethereal Green Gel Nail Polish Set. The Modelones Ethereal Green Gel Nail Polish Set is a beautifully curated collection that showcases a range of green shades, from deep emeralds to soft sage tones. This set is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to their nails. The ethereal green hues are not only trendy, but versatile, making them ideal for various occasions, from everyday wear to special events. This gel polish set is known for its smooth application and vibrant pigmentation. The colors are rich and intense, providing full coverage in just 1 or 2 coats. The formula is designed to be durable, with a long-lasting finish that resists chipping and fading for up to 2 weeks. The Modelones Ethereal Green Gel Nail Polish Set is made with a non-toxic and eco-friendly formula, which is a huge plus for those who are mindful of the ingredients in their beauty products. Whether you have short or long nails, this set is sure to provide a polished and professional look every time. Number 3. Mefa 56 PCs Gel Nail Polish Kit. The Mefa 56 PCs Gel Nail Polish Kit is a great option for anyone who wants variety and quality in their gel nail polish collection. With 56 different shades, this kit offers a wide range of colors, from bold and bright to soft neutrals and pastels. Whether you're preparing for a night out or a professional event, this set has a color for every occasion. What sets the Mefa gel polish apart is its formula, which is designed to be long-lasting and chip-resistant. The colors are highly pigmented, providing full coverage in just 1 or 2 coats. The gel polish applies smoothly and evenly, ensuring that you don't have to worry about streaks or uneven patches. The formula is also durable, with a shiny, glossy finish that lasts for up to 2 weeks without chipping or fading. The set includes a base coat and top coat, making it a complete solution for at-home manicures. The polish cures quickly under both UV and LED light, saving you time during your manicure sessions. The Mefa gel polish is also formulated to be non-toxic and safe for sensitive skin, which makes it a great choice for those looking for a gentle option. Number 4. Double Rhythm Cat Eye Gel Polish. The Double Rhythm Cat Eye Gel Polish is a unique and eye-catching product that's perfect for anyone looking to create a mesmerizing, multi-dimensional effect on their nails. This gel polish features magnetic particles that create a stunning cat eye effect when a magnet is held over the nail after application. The result is a beautiful, shimmering design that looks like it was done at a professional salon. The formula is easy to apply, and the magnetic effect works seamlessly when the polish is cured under UV or LED light. The gel polish is highly pigmented, so you only need a thin layer for full coverage. The color shifts beautifully as the magnetic field is applied, creating a captivating, glowing look that is sure to catch everyone's attention. Durability is another strong point of the Double Rhythm Cat Eye Gel Polish. The formula is chip-resistant and long-lasting, staying intact for up to 2 weeks without showing signs of wear. The glossy finish gives your nails a polished salon-quality look, and the non-toxic formula ensures that it's safe to use on your nails without any harsh chemicals. If you're looking to add a little drama to your manicure, this gel polish is a great way to do it. Number 5. Born Pretty Brown Gel Nail Polish. For those who love warm, earthy tones, the Born Pretty Brown Gel Nail Polish is an excellent choice. This gel polish features rich, chocolatey brown hues that are perfect for creating a sophisticated and natural look. Brown shades are timeless and versatile, making them suitable for any season or occasion. Whether you're looking for a casual, everyday manicure or something more polished for a formal event, this brown gel polish will deliver a chic and elegant look. The Born Pretty Brown Gel Polish is formulated to provide long-lasting results with a chip-resistant finish. The high pigmentation ensures that you only need 1 or 2 coats for full coverage, and the formula is smooth, applying evenly without any streaks or bumps. It cures easily under both UV and LED lamps, making it a quick and efficient option for at-home manicures. This gel polish has a glossy, smooth finish that enhances the richness of the brown color, giving your nails a sleek, polished look. The formula is non-toxic and safe to use, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or who are concerned about harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a gel polish that combines both style and durability, the Born Pretty Brown Gel Nail Polish is an excellent option to consider. Number 6. Double Rhythm 15 ml Gel Nail Polish. The Double Rhythm 15 ml Gel Nail Polish is a high-quality gel polish that stands out for its affordability and effectiveness. This gel polish provides a professional, salon-like finish in the comfort of your own home. The 15 ml bottle ensures that you have plenty of product for multiple uses, making it a great value for the price. This gel polish is known for its smooth application and vibrant pigmentation. The formula is highly pigmented, so you can achieve full coverage with just 1 or 2 coats. The finish is glossy and durable, lasting for up to 2 weeks without chipping or fading. It's also easy to remove, which makes it a convenient option for anyone who likes to change their nail color frequently. The Double Rhythm Gel Polish cures easily under UV or LED light, making it quick and efficient to use. The formula is non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals or irritation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this gel polish is simple to apply and provides excellent results every time. Number 7. Rosalind 30 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set. The Rosalind 30 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set is a fantastic option for anyone who wants a wide variety of colors in one convenient package. This set includes 30 different shades, ranging from vibrant, bold colors to soft, neutral tones, ensuring that you'll always have the perfect color for any occasion. The colors are highly pigmented, and the formula ensures that you get full coverage with just 1 or 2 coats. One of the standout features of this gel polish set is its long-lasting formula. The polish stays intact for up to 2 weeks without chipping or fading, even with regular wear. The high gloss finish adds an extra layer of shine to your nails, making them look professionally done. The Rosalind gel polish is easy to apply and cures quickly under UV or LED light. The set includes a base coat and top coat, ensuring that you have everything you need for a perfect manicure. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this set is ideal for creating stunning, durable gel manicures at home. That's a wrap on our review of the top 7 gel nail polishes. Each of these options offers something unique, from versatile color sets to special effects like the cat eye polish. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, these polishes provide professional quality results that'll make your nails stand out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.